Alright guys, today we'll be replacing a broken LCD in this laptop. It's a HP 15 BA027NR is the model number, and you're going to want to have a pry tool and a small Phillips screwdriver. And you don't have to use a pry tool. You can actually pull that off just with your hands, but the pry tool does make it a little bit easier. But that's just a real thin plastic frame that you should be able to pull off quite easy. Now you're going to remove these 4 screws that hold down the LCD. I've already removed mine, but I'm just showing you exactly where they are. And there will be 4 of them. Once you do that, you're just going to lay the LCD down, and then there's going to be that LCD connection right there. You're just going to want to separate it. And that's our broken screen. Let's get our new one in here. And you're just going to basically do everything in reverse order. We're going to go ahead and connect this LCD cable back. And I'm going to add some electric tape just to hold it down in place. I haven't put it before, and that little connection has come apart. So anything you can do to kind of help hold that down would be great. Now we're going to put it back, line up the holes, and you're going to just put back the 4 screws that you took out. And don't forget, there is a plastic clear coat over the front of that. You just want to make sure you pull that little plastic off. And since we're at this point, you want to go ahead and plug it in, and let's make sure we're getting power and everything's working. If not, you'll have to go around, disconnect the LCD cable and reconnect it and see if that does it. Now take that small plastic bezel that went around the outside, and you're just going to put it back. You want to hear clips all the way around. Once you hear clips all the way around, you should be good to go. You can even lay it down and clip the bottom. Don't press too hard on the screen, you could damage it. Other than that, guys, if you have any comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching.